Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So in today's video I will be showing you where your SRS light fuse is located, or airbag fuse if you want to say that. If you are getting an airbag light, the first thing you should probably do is just check your fuse. However, if you don't know where your fuse is located, I'm going to show you in this video. Okay guys, so in your Honda RSX or DC5 Type R, or Honda DC5, wherever you're from, you might call it something different. It's Honda RSX, Acura RSX, Acura Type R, whatever you want to call it. This is where to find your airbag fuse. Okay guys, so just underneath your steering wheel column, okay, so you're going to see there's two screws, and this here, that's labeled fuse. Okay, so you want to pop this screw out, and then pop this screw out over here. So I'll just pop that out like so, pop that down, and now we have a fuse diagram. Okay, so to read this, the easiest way I find to read this is by, I look at the fuse box, the actual diagram. Sorry, it's upside down. I look at the diagram right here, and then I go by rows. Okay, so bottom row, middle row, and top row. Yours is located in the middle row. It is fuse 13. It's a 10 amp, and that'll make it easy to find. So you've got one that's been used, one that should be empty, and one that should be used. So I go across from ABS to SRS, which is your airbag light, okay, or your airbag, potentially a fuse is blown. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how to find it and make this quite simple. Okay, so let's go ahead. We're going to go underneath the car, get a trusty little assistant to point it out. Okay, so up underneath here, you're going to see there's some fuses. Okay, I just want to say this is extremely awkward to get up underneath here. So I'm going to zoom in on here, and you're going to see there's a 7.5 and a 10 and a 10. Okay, so your 10 is your SRS, and your 10 next to it is the one for your mirrors. So the one here, this is the one you're looking for. Yeah, this one here, right next to, not this one, this one. Okay, that's the one you want. It's the one next to the 7.5 amp brown fuse. It's the one just onto the right, the first one. Okay, so that is the one you need to pull out for your airbag fuse if you are getting an airbag light. Okay guys, so I hope this video helps. I hope that I was explaining it good enough. If I wasn't, just let me know in the comments if the video is hard to follow, and I'll try to do my best to improve that in the future. But to be fair, this is a very awkward position to get underneath and film and point out at the same time, because just where it's located, it's a pain in the ass. Okay, so yeah, that's your fuse. That's where you want to go. And yeah, hope that helps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video. All right, peace out.